Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication. With the elevated workflow, let's dive in. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Miro.com. You'll find this page as you can see. So, welcome to the Innovation Workspace, a single EA-powered collaboration platform that helps teams move faster from idea to outcome. And here we have it. So, if we click over pricing, we'll find that is for free. And let's know right now what is Miro. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, templates, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. So, Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So, as you can see, this is how it looks.
Enter Miro, the innovation
As
workspace.
you can see,
You could be stuck with a whole bunch of ideas, but no action. Creating product briefs,
generate product. We have generating here also.
your prototypes.
That will
Back
show you
faster
all
than
the steps
ever,
right
everything
now.
you need for base. And a quick check-in. All in one.
And let's
Onto the
get started
canvas.
right now.
Innovation belongs on Miro.
So all I have to do right now is just click over sign up for free and you will just find this page. You have to link your email address and then you'll click over continue with email. Also you can use other option which is Google, Microsoft and Slack. Once you do that, you will find this, it's a confirmation as you can see. Then here we have this page, it's the home page as you can see. So before that you will just answer some questions when you sign up and then you will find this home page as you can see. Firstly, we have here unlock Miro superpowers, bring ideas to life with unlimited boards, guest access and over than 2500 diagramming. So in the boards in the team we have here blank board, flowchart, mind map, Kanban framework, and we have quick retrospective and we have intelligent templates. So we choose the one you want. And here we have explore templates. So we have here show when creating a board, and here we have, for example, for you personalized here. We have intelligent as you can see, mind map, flow chart, and we have here concept map, quick retrospective, and we have sticky note packs. Then we have here all template as you can see. Then we have your recent Miroverse. You have your icebreakers also. Then we have building blocks. We have all sticky notes, mind maps, tables, and we have slides. Then we have your use case like meetings and workshops. So we have this one, and we have ideation and brainstorming like that, as you can see. Research and design also. Agile workflow. Then we have a roadmap, planning, daily stand-ups, and we have retrospectives. Then we have a strategy and planning, programming and mapping. We have like flowcharts and processes. We have network and cloud. We have our charts, software and databases, and we have mind maps. And then we have the last one, which is presentations and slides. So we have your presentations, slides, and we have here all. So that's for the templates. So you select the one you want and you will find here various templates, and it's very helpful and useful. For example, if you are interested for full chart, you just click over it and you start with it. So I will select only this blank board and I will show you the option that we have in the Miro. The first step that I have to do is just write title firstly here, as you can see. So you have to write title here. For example, I will write test. And here we have it. So we have save here. So first let's come back and choose, for example, this one. So about this one, we already have an Miro here, and it's a folder under Miro. So for example, here we have the title, and in the right we have the main menu. For example, we have board here, edit, and we have here view, preferences, and we have also send to interactive display. So we have here also in the board make copy, new board, and we have background color. For example, we select here, for example, light blue, light purple, light violet, and we have light pink also. Then we have here edit. So for example, we have indo, redo, and we have comment and find. Then we have here view, preferences, send to interactive display also. Then we have here change terminal, so you choose the one you want. For example, I choose this one, so I'll let it like that. Then we have here create with EA. So first of all, we have here sticky notes. You can ask for ideas, user stories, pain points, and we have here how might we. Then we have here document, like we have a retrospective summary, product brief. Then we have here research synthesis, and we have meeting notes. Then we have image like illustration, flat design, low poly, comic, and we have render here. Then we have a diagram such as flow chart, mind map, your diagram, and we have UML sequence, UML class. So that's what create with EA, and we have also here the template. So we choose the template that we want. Then we have here sticky note. For example, choose this one, and you put it like here, and you choose here the large. If you want this one or this one, and about the size you choose, if it's one or like this one, and you choose also the color. For example, choose black. Then you have other options like font style, for example, and you write whatever you want. Then we have also here the text. You can just add a text here, and you choose the size and other options. Then we have here shape line and lines. For example, let's select this one, put it like that. And you can also choose the color that you want. For example, select this one. And also we have you create like this one, and write, for example, here like you write here, for example, Miro. Example, I write Miro. As you can see. Also we have here if you want frame, and we have also here tools, media, and integrations also. Then if you want to come back, you click over here, it's endo, and we have here redo, and here we have also it choose zoom and navigation. We have here zoom out and zoom in, and also you have frames and layers. For example, here we have frames, and we have your layers also. Organize your board with layers, add layers to arrange, hide, and lock content on top of the default layer. Then we have also here facilitation tools and reaction. So we have your private mode, note, timer, and voting. Then we have here the activity. So we have here commands and codings. Then we have teams. Then we have also here other options like note. For example, choose to-do list, meeting agenda, project summary, workshop notes, and we have here board annotation. Then we have also here timer and voting, and we have here timer. And then here we have if you want to present or record, then you can just share it with your team. So this is how it works with Miro.com. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.